Okay, what happened in the past between Gemini and this person? Two of Pentacles. Maybe this person was not giving you commitment. Though I see that there was a lot of love between you and them. But this person started acting immature. Some of you, this person was maybe juggling you with someone, because I saw the Page of Sword as well while shuffling. So, and you know, Knight of Sword again can show very in and out kind of nature. So maybe this person was juggling you. They were very in and out of your life. They were just not getting on the same page as you. Okay, and you kind of got tired of waiting for this person. Some of you, this person has really tested your patience beyond your expectation. They were just very quiet about the whole situation. You wanted this person to come forward boldly and express their love to you, but they just kept quiet over and over again. And then you were like, this is not working and I gotta leave. Some of you, there was also some sort of secret that came out. Could be a good or a bad secret, I don't know, but you were kind of, yeah, see the Judgment card. So some sort of secret came out, and based on that you made a decision that you are going to move on. However, there's a lot of love between you and them. So some of you, you really love this person, they really love you. So you both kind of like each other, and you also like this person. You're just waiting for them to make a move towards you, and they are going to, like, can you see the energy? The Knight of Swords, the Eight of Wands, the King of Swords. They're being very stubborn about making a decision. Like, this is the kind of energy where they will say whatever they have to say to you, and they don't care how you're going to reciprocate to that. Okay, so they're going to shoot their shot at you. Okay, what else? Page of Swords again. Somebody is spying you. Do you know that, Gemini? This person keeps tab on you for sure. They gossip about you, they got to know about you. Maybe some of you, this person got to know that you're moving on in your life, and that's why they are now rushing in towards you, because they are like, if I don't hurry up, Gemini will be gone. I see in the past this person was very indecisive, and they were not making any secret. They were not making any move, and they were keeping secrets. That's what the High Priestess is with the Two of Pentacles. They just kept juggling you. They just kept going with their secrets, and then you were like, where the fuck do I stand with you in your life? Where is this connection going? Are we ever going to work on this or not? So that is what happened in the past. It's like you loved them. They now for sure love you. I don't know what was the case in the past. Maybe in the past they had something else going on, but now they are like very sure about you as to they want you. Some of you, this person is also planning for a long-term commitment with you. And this person might be watching you. Like, I see that they are done with their spined energy, see? So they were keeping a lot of secrets, and now secretly they are also watching you. They're basically done with their investigation, now they're gonna come in. Okay, what is Gemini's? Yeah, Nine of Swords. Some of you, this person has really stressed you out as well. And I think when you kind of left this person and you were moving on, it was very difficult for you, of course. Some of you, even today, when you get reminded of this person and the connection, it kind of gives you panic attacks, because you've gone through a lot and you do not want to take up anybody's shit, and you don't want to go back to the same cycle. So some of you, you know, when this person appears back in your life, you're going to be very, very choosy. You might not really accept them straightforward back in your life. Or some of you, you know, you are dealing with a new person. You love them, they love you, they have been dropping hints, but they are not making any move, and that's kind of giving you anxiety. But this person, however, in their energy, they are planning to make a move towards you. Some of you, you're very scared of compromising, because you've compromised a lot in the past. So now you do not want to basically repeat those cycles again. So you're very cautious and you're very careful, basically. Okay, how is this person viewing Gemini? This person that Gemini is connecting with. How are they viewing Gemini? Queen of Cups. They have a lot of emotions for you. However, they have been hiding. Like till now, they are just dropping hints, but now they will be coming in full-fledged. Some of you, this person thinks that you're very beautiful, very graceful, very nurturing as well. Maybe you really helped this person in difficult times. Some of you, they also see you as someone who's doing really well in life, financially. Yeah, so whatever you are doing, I see that a lot of glow is happening in your life, a lot of glow up is happening in your life, and this person is kind of recognizing Gemini. So whatever you're doing, people are watching. People are watching you these days, Gemini. You might be working on something which is giving you money or at least new opportunities. Yeah, see, 7 of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles. You are doing something in your personal life which is giving you money. So from Ace, you're going to go for 7. You have been putting in a lot of work. And you are actually working in silence, but people are taking a note. This person, especially when they're spying on you, they're taking notes of everything. I think they have maintained a journal and every day they write about you. But yeah, in your work, whatever you're putting your mind to, whatever you're setting your mind to, I see that you have a long-term goal, and right now you're kind of sowing the seeds, you're taking the initial steps, and you're trying to plan things. Things are going to go really, really well. So I see some new opportunity in finance or career for you, and even love, Gemini. Some of you also have 2 options, so you're kind of confused. You're like, which one do I choose? So yeah, be ready to make some decisions in life. Next week or this month could be a time where you will have to choose which direction you want to go or which person you want to allow in your life, kind of thing. However, somebody is very, very sure about you. With the King of Swords, 8 of Wands, the Knight of Swords, I see somebody is like, yeah, I want Gemini, that's it, period. I want Gemini. I'm not confused anymore. Now I'm not juggling anything. Now I want Gemini, that's it. So somebody is going to take very bold moves towards you, and they're very sure about you. Give me some more energy about this person. Queen of Pentacles, Gemini. Some of you, let me be very honest with you, they are also attracted to the kind of stability that you can provide them. So some of you, you're doing really well in your life, financially or just status wise. So this person is, I'm not saying that they will take advantage of you, but they kind of recognize or appreciate you because you are very hard working. You have been achieving things in life after putting in a lot of work. They have a lot of emotion for you as well. It's not that energy where somebody will take advantage of your money or something. This person kind of is really admiring the fact that you work really, really hard in your life and you have been doing so much. Even for my Gemini guys here, your woman sees that you have the capability to provide them because you have been working really hard on things. So that is something this person is attracted to be honest. And they also feel that you're very beautiful. And they also recognize the fact that they did so wrong to you, but in spite of that, you managed to hold yourself so well, and still you're doing really well in your life. So this person is also like, I think I fucked my opportunity with Gemini. I should not have done this to Gemini. So what is coming towards Gemini in love next? Page of Cups. An apology or a message from someone at a distance. Some of you will also be in a long distance relationship. Gemini, a lot of communication is coming in your way for sure. And with the Mercury retrograde, I can understand that this could be a lot of people from your past who are making a way back into your life. But if not a lot, at least one person for sure. Could be a fire sign, water sign, or an air sign very strongly. You might be knowing who this can be. But yeah, definitely somebody wants to initiate conversation with you. Somebody wants to restore conversation with you basically. And if you want, only if you want, then a new start in love is possible. See, just when I say new start, there's a freaking Fool card. So Gemini, if you want, then you will have a new relationship in life, which is going to start from a scratch again, but it's going to be very beautiful connection. See, Page of Pentacles. Some of you might be connecting with someone who's younger than you or looks younger than their actual age. I definitely see a reunion. If you're interested, only if you're interested, then I see that you have people who have their eye on you. But some of you Geminis, you're not interested. With the Moon card, you are doubting everything. You're doubting everybody's intentions. So you're kind of, it's like you want love, but you also doubt everybody's intentions. So you're not sure if you want love. So you're very confused. But if you still want, it can happen for you. Some of you, you're so focused on your money and career these days that you don't pay much attention to love. And for others of you, you're kind of done with everybody's crap. You're like, people are drama, people are bullshit, I'm not going to be part of all this. So you have kind of made your mind. And I, being a Gemini, I can understand some of you become very, very cold-hearted. Like this person used to be very cold-hearted in the past with you, and now you're kind of mirroring them. You know, it's like you have picked on to it and you have become very cold now. I'm not telling you have become mean, but I'm saying you've become very cold because you're kind of very scared to go through the same kind of pattern and get hurt again. So some of you have built a very strong wall, and you're not letting that down for anybody basically. So Gemini, you have to become this Queen of Pentacles or Queen of Cups. Stop becoming the Queen of Swords. It's okay, you've gone through a loss, I understand, but you have to embrace your feminine side as well. Don't try to become so rough, so cold or so mean. All right, by doing that you will not be able to have love in your life if you really want. But if love is not a priority, then that's a different story. And if you're a Gemini guy, then I see a fire sign, water sign, earth sign woman around you who's going to be very much interested. And if you're a female watching this, then you just have to tap into your feminine side. Enough of your strong side, bitchy side. I know that you have been protecting yourself by putting a wall in front of you because you don't want to get hurt. But now is the time that you let down your wall and let people come into your life, all right? Somebody is very passionate towards you. They want to make a move. They want to shoot a shot. Kind of just see what they have to offer, and then you can decline or accept or whatever. But at least listen to the other person, Gemini. All right? Do not try to block. And for your money and everything, I see a lot of abundance. From the Ace of Pentacles with the Queen of Pentacles, there's 10 of Pentacles. So many Pentacles here already. So I see that you're going to start from the scratch, whatever you're doing, and you're going to reach the abundance level. So yeah, I see a lot of growth. See? Star card. So your growth is going to be steadily happening over the time. Do not expect everything to happen in very quickly, but things are going to fall into place slowly and steadily is what I see. And for your love, I also see that, as I said, you love them and this person loves you, but this person was not taking action towards you in the past, which kind of pissed you off, because you were like, if you love me, why can't you say it on my face, or why can't you be fast? So that was actually pissing you off, and then I think you pulled back, and now this person is having a fear of losing you, so they are accelerating the process. Somebody is going to be very bold towards you, Gemini. Somebody is going to propose you very boldly, okay? And this is the same person who was not speaking up in the past, but now they want to, because they realize what a motherfucking empress you are. Somebody is recognizing your worth, and Gemini, you are also recognizing your worth. That is why you're not putting up with anybody's bullshit, because you're like, I'm a freaking empress. Do you think I'm gonna chase you? Do you think I will keep persisting? Sorry, honey. If you can't make a move, bye. So some of you are in that energy, and that is why this person is like, oh my god, Gemini will be gone. So yeah, I also see pregnancy for some of you. If you want to conceive, the Ace of Wands is a pregnancy, Empress is also pregnancy, so that can happen. But if it's love, somebody is in love with you, Gemini, and they want to be in a marriage kind of commitment with you. Like they want to have kids with you. They definitely see you as a potential mother for their kids or something like that. And this is someone from the past. So your new person is a past person. Somebody is coming back, and this time it's not for mumbo jumbo, but for something long term and committal. What did you do, Gemini? Whatever you're doing, it's working. You are doing. See, give your relationship a chance. Somebody wants to give this relationship a chance. In the past, some of you feel that this is now unrequited and you don't want to give them a chance, because in the past this person was not treating you well. So now you're like, fuck off. Somebody was just being very slow in the past, and now they want to rush and see honeymoon. Oh my god, they feel that they are your soulmate or you are their soulmate. I don't know, but somebody's very passionate towards you. And just when I said that, I saw 16:16 on the clock. I mean, on the video. So yeah. So that was the reading. Hope this helps and resonate. Your new person is a past person, Gemini. I will see you very soon in the next video. Till then, you guys take care. Stay safe. Bye.